Realme was once notorious for aggressively competing with Xiaomi to dominate the budget smartphone market, but as of today, the brand has matured and offers products such as smartwatches and earbuds. But smartphones is still the bread and butter for the Chinese company, and it consistently releases one excellent device after the other to make sure it is still one of the biggest players in the entry-level smartphone business in India. After launching the Realme 3 Pro, the Realme 5 Pro and the Realme 6 Pro, it is a new year and you know what means yes, it is time for the next iteration in the series. We're talking about the brand new Realme 7 Pro. And how did Realme up the game this year? By making the phone 5G ready, of course. And to do this, Realme packed a Snapdragon 765G chipset into the Realme 7 Pro, which means you can expect excellent mid-range performance as well. The all-new device from Realme is also equipped with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage. The screen is a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The rear camera setup offers impressive specs, at least on paper, as it is a 64-megapixel plus 12-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 2-megapixel configuration of 4 sensors. The front 16-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual camera setup lets you shoot selfies in portrait mode as well. Thanks to that secondary camera. And you're good to go with battery life as the inside. The Realme 7 Pro not only has a capacity of 6000 mAh, but also supports fast charging. Some of the popular Realme mobile phones include the Realme 7, the Realme X50M, and the Realme X2 Pro. So these are the specifications of Realme 7 Pro. You can see launch date and price and other specifications in details below in description box. So see you in next video. Have a great day.